слушаем на английском языке. Коллеги, просим прощения, переводим каждый сам. Переводчик не предусмотрен. Пожалуйста, коллеги.
Hello, I am Duйгу Мамедова, international specialist. Today I'm responsible to present the article School and Libraries in Mutual United by Afet Mamedova, the Chief Bibliographer of the Bibliographic Department. School and Libraries in Mutual United. The library is a door opened at time. Libraries are institutions where printed and electronic information resources are provided, organized, and given for usage. The most important task of this institution is provide and contribute individuals with source of information. Teaching children value of knowledge at an early age can also ensure that children use libraries and source of information effectively in their future life. Library services have become very essential, not only for adults, but also development of children. Thanks to the library service, children can acquire basic skills such as access to information, learning about different cultures, literacy, and lifelong learning. Libraries for Children and Yours are one of the leading organizations for their knowledge and development. All literacy skills are best development in childhood and adolescence. It is important that children are educated at an early age. The sooner a person acquires information, it will be more effective and lifelong. There are libraries that directly help children in education, recreation, leisure time, and preparation for their future. One of them is centralized library system. And what is that? What does it mean if we say centralized library system? Centralized library systems are democratic institutions that provide free information service to all segments of society and support the development of the region. These libraries use printed, audiovisual, electronic materials for collect, preserve, organize, and deliver to creative production of skills and human imagination. Another one is schools libraries, which serve the children, support education, and integral part of our life. According to the UNESCO Schools Libraries Manifesto, goals of schools libraries are create reading habits, give opportunities to develop knowledge, provide children and students with access to local, regional, national, and global research, organization of activities that promote cultural and social awareness. Children have some things and experience throughout their lives. This experience can take the form of words, context, or drawing. Language allows children to share their knowledge and experience with others. When children go to school, they acquire basic language skills. Language development is related to oral and writing communication. While oral communication develops at an early age, written communication begins at school. On the other hand, painting is one of the most important tools used to reveal children's experience, inner world, and knowledge structure. The pictures show that individuals intelligent, socialize, culture, education, and so on. Children not only create a work of art, but also give important tips. Children sometimes reflect their lives in picture. For this reason, children's imagination are used, especially in field of health, psychology, education, and anthropology. When organized the experimental group, both written and pictorial expression were used to understand the library's habits of children aged 10–11. Then when the literature is evaluated, it becomes cleaner, and there is a lot of researching on how children persuaded concepts or topic using drawing and writing techniques. It is more noticeable that most of them is field of psychology. When I explored field of library and information skills of students, the Faculty of Information and University of Toronto, taking an example of these experiments, I tried to determine the library's habits of students aged 10–11 in high school. The experiment aimed to identify students' habits about library with written and descriptive stories. In this way, it relieved the concept of library in inner world of children, and they also show that how they persuade and accept this concept. The main goal of this research instill libraries love on students age 10, 11. This research can answer some questions with a certain framework. One of them, what are the imagination of libraries among students age 10, 11? Some designers were using amount qualitative research samples during the experiment. Art-based research designed combine of creative arts such as painting, music, visual art, photography, and other methods. As a result, I would like to note that the students demonstrate not only their knowledge of library, but also their skills in writing and drawing.